Welcome to Question and Answer on Creating Animation with TupiTube. Let's learn with MG. Let's explore the agenda for today's session. First question. TupiTube is used to create blank. Your options are A. Drawings, B. Music, C. Animations, D. Images. The correct answer is C. Animations. Next question. FPS stands for blank. Your options are A. Frame preview section, B. Frame per second, C. Frame player section, D. Frame per second. The correct answer is B. Frame per second. Next question. You can preview your animation in the blank module. Your options are A. Player, B. Animation, C. Onion skin, D. Library. The correct answer is A. Player. What does the onion skin factor control? Your options are A. Number of frames, B. Transparency of frames, C. Speed of animation, D. Size of drawing. The correct answer is B. Transparency of frames. Next question. The menu bar is located at the blank of the window. Your options are A. Bottom, B. Top left, C. Right side, D. Center. The correct answer is B. Top left. Which toolbar is located below the menu bar? Your options are A. Stage toolbar, B. Side toolbar, C. Top toolbar, D. Player toolbar. The correct answer is C. Top toolbar. Next question. Which area is used to design and create animation? Your options are A. Library, B. Workspace, C. Menu bar, D. Properties panel. The correct answer is B. Workspace. Which tab is used to create drawings and frames? Your options are A. Player tab, B. Library tab, C. Animation tab, D. Export tab. The correct answer is C. Animation tab. Next question. Which option is used to import images into a project? Your options are A. Player, B. Library, C. Timeline, D. Menu bar. The correct answer is B. Library. What is the correct order to create an animation? Your options are A. Start project, create frame, add frames, preview, B. Preview add frames, start project, C. Add frames, start project, preview, D. Preview, start project, create frame. The correct answer is A. Start project, create frame, add frames, preview. Identify the tool for each action. Change the outline color of a shape. Answer, Fill tool. Draw a closed shape with 7 sides. Answer, Polyline tool. Draw a flower using freehand drawing. Answer, Pencil tool. Reshape a drawing. Answer, Node selection tool. Write dialogue between 2 characters. Answer, Text tool. Here are some keyboard shortcuts. To create a new project, Control-N. To switch from Animation tab to Player tab, Control-2. To switch from Player tab to Animation tab, Control-1. To save a project, Control-S. What is TupiTube? Answer, it is animation application software. It lets you create drawings and animation by using simple tools. What are keyframes? Answer, keyframes are specific frames that define the starting and ending points of movement in an animation. What do you use the color palette for? Answer, the color palette is used to select colors for drawing. What is the use of the library option? Answer, the library option is used to import and use images in a project. How can you change the speed of an animation? Answer, you can change the speed of an animation by adjusting the FPS or frames per second in the timeline or animation settings. Name any 4 components of TupiTube window. Answer, menu bar, toolbox, stage, and properties panel. What is the onion skin feature used for? Answer, the onion skin feature allows you to see multiple frames at once, showing previous and next frames as transparent overlays to help create smooth animations. What is the difference between the Animation tab and the Player tab? Answer, the Animation tab is where you create and edit your animation. The Player tab is used to preview or play the animation you have created. What is the use of the brush properties icon in the left sidebar? Answer: the brush properties can change the type and thickness of the brush used to draw. What is the use of a scene selector in the Properties panel of the Player tab? Answer: if the project has multiple scenes, the scene selector allows the user to choose the scene to be previewed from the animation display. How does a change in the FPS value affect your animation? Answer: a higher value of FPS will increase the speed of animation. A lower value will decrease its speed. What are the main tools used? Answer: fill fills bounded areas with color. Brushes or pencil are used for drawing. Nodes. Selection is used to select or edit parts of a drawing. Library is used to import images. What are the key features of TupiTube? Answer: onion skin allows you to see the previous frame in a transparent form to help draw the next frame. FPS control changes the speed of the animation by adjusting frames per second. Import and export gives the ability to import images and export animations in formats like OGG, AVI, or PNG. Name the main components of the TupiTube window. Answer: menu bar is the top bar with options. Stage or canvas is the white central area where you draw. Toolbox or toolbar contains tools like pencil, brush, and fill. Timeline is used to manage frames and animation timing. Library is used to store and import images or assets. Properties. Panel shows properties of the selected object or tool. Let's name the highlighted elements of the TupiTube window. A is menu bar, B is workspace, C is right sidebar, D is top toolbar, and E is left sidebar. Let's go over some elements and their uses. Onion skin is used to switch on or off the onion skin feature. Previous frames is used to decide how many previous frames will be visible. Next frames is used to decide how many next frames will be visible. Onion skin factor is used to set the transparency of onion skin to 50%, or you can set your own transparency. Let's review the elements of TupiTube. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.